Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're diving into XM, one of the world's most recognized Forex and CFD brokers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, we'll cover everything you need to know to find out if they're the right broker for your trading journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Founded in 2009, XM has grown into a truly global broker, serving more than 15 million clients across 190 countries. XM focuses on providing fair trading conditions, transparency, and reliable customer support. The broker offers access to over 1,400 tradable instruments, all available on the popular MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, as well as its own mobile application. Traders can choose from a variety of account types designed to suit different strategies and experience levels, with spreads starting from as low as 0.6 pips and minimum deposits beginning at just $5. XM is also regulated in multiple jurisdictions, providing oversight and client fund protection. On top of that, the broker offers a wide range of educational resources, market analysis, and 24/7 multilingual customer support, making it a strong choice for both beginner and experienced traders. XM gives traders access to a wide variety of trading instruments across multiple asset classes, all from a single account. Clients can trade more than 55 Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, along with a broad range of commodities and energies such as coffee, sugar, wheat, crude oil, and natural gas. The broker also offers precious metals like gold and silver, plus a strong lineup of global indices covering major markets in the US, Europe, and Asia. For those interested in equities, XM provides a large selection of stock CFDs, allowing traders to speculate on company shares without owning the underlying asset. In addition, the platform includes popular cryptocurrencies available as CFDs, giving clients even more ways to diversify. With flexible leverage options of up to 1 to 1,000 depending on the instrument and regulatory region, XM makes it possible for traders of all levels to explore a wide range of opportunities in the financial markets. XM is a globally recognized broker that places a strong emphasis on trust and compliance. Locally, the company is fully licensed and regulated by the Financial Services Commission, as well as the Financial Services Authority. These regulatory bodies ensure that XM operates under strict international standards, protecting clients through oversight, transparency, and accountability. Being regulated in multiple jurisdictions means XM must adhere to rules that safeguard client funds, enforce fair trading practices, and maintain the highest standards of financial conduct. The broker is regulated across multiple regions, giving it a strong international presence as well. In Europe, XM is licensed by the CY, SEC, and Cyprus, ensuring compliance with MiFID II investor protections. In Australia, XM is regulated by the ASIC, one of the world's most respected financial authorities. The broker also operates under the FSC in Belize and the DFSA in Dubai, extending its services to a wider global audience. This multi-jurisdictional oversight helps strengthen the broker's credibility, though the exact level of protection depends on which entity you open your account with. To safeguard client funds, XM maintains segregated accounts, ensuring that traders' funds are kept separate from the company's operational funds. This practice provides an added layer of protection in the unlikely event of financial difficulties. Furthermore, XM employs advanced data encryption and cybersecurity measures to protect clients' personal and financial information from unauthorized access. In line with global standards, XM adheres to Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. Clients are required to verify their identity before opening a live account, ensuring compliance with international financial regulations and enhancing the integrity of the trading environment. The broker occasionally offers a 100% deposit bonus, meaning that when you deposit certain funds, XM will match your deposit dollar for dollar, doubling your trading capital up to a capped amount. For example, during their 15th anniversary celebration, the promotion ran for 4 weeks. Traders needed to register for a weekly promotion, meet specific trading volume requirements in that week, and then make a deposit the following week to get the bonus. By doing this for all 4 weeks, clients could claim up to $15,000 in bonus funds in total. XM's Traders Club is their loyalty rewards program, designed to give you extra value every time you trade. From your very first trade on your real account, you start earning XM coins, or XMC, which can be redeemed for real money, tradable bonuses, exclusive tools, or other rewards. The more you trade, the more XMC you earn. And you can also climb through status levels to unlock bigger perks, including bonus multipliers and VIP benefits. There's even a dashboard and calculator so you can see exactly how far you are from the next status and what rewards await. If you trade regularly, the Traders Club adds a nice ongoing boost rather than just a once-off promotion. The broker also runs a refer a friend program that rewards you with cash for bringing new traders on board. Once you have a verified XM account, you'll get a personal referral link to share. When your friends register, fund their accounts, and meet the trading requirements, you receive a cash bonus that's fully withdrawable. The more friends you refer, the higher the reward tiers go, and you can track everything directly in your members area. Terms and conditions do apply though, so make sure to check the details for your region. XM also offers social competitions, giving traders a fun and engaging way to test their skills and win real cash prizes. There are several formats, including Demo Weekly, where you trade with virtual funds risk-free, free practice sessions that allow hourly participation without any cost, and paid demo competitions where you enter with a fee but still trade with virtual funds for a chance to win cash rewards. Competitions are open to clients with validated real accounts who accept the terms and conditions, and prizes are credited directly to the winner's real accounts once the contest ends. As always, eligibility and other rules may vary by region, so be sure to check the details before joining. XM provides traders with a versatile suite of trading platforms designed to meet a wide range of needs. Its main offerings include MetaTrader 4 and 5, both of which are known for their user-friendly interfaces, advanced charting tools, and robust trading capabilities. MetaTrader 4 is particularly popular among Forex traders, offering over 50 indicators, automated trading via expert advisors, and access through desktop, web, and mobile devices. MetaTrader 5 expands on these features by supporting multi-asset trading while offering additional timeframes, order types, and an integrated economic calendar, making it ideal for traders seeking a broader market scope. In addition, XM provides a proprietary mobile application, allowing clients to monitor markets, manage accounts, and execute trades on the go. Together, these platforms ensure that both beginners and experienced traders have the tools they need to trade efficiently and effectively. The broker also offers their own copy trading platform, which offers an accessible way for both new and experienced traders to engage with the markets. As an investor, you can browse over 9,000 strategies, filter by performance metrics like return on investment and drawdown, and start copying trades with a minimum investment of just $50. For those with trading experience, becoming a strategy master allows you to share your strategies with others and earn up to 50% profit share from followers. The platform is integrated with both MetaTrader 4 and 5, providing a seamless trading experience. Whether you're looking to learn from others or share your expertise, XM's copy trading caters to all levels of traders. XM offers a variety of trading account types, designed to suit different trading styles, experience levels, and investment goals. The ultra-low account is popular among traders looking for tight spreads and low swap fees, making it ideal for high volume or frequent trading, with a minimum deposit of $5. XM's Shares account is designed for traders who want to invest directly in global equities, with a minimum deposit of $10,000. It allows you to buy and sell actual company shares on major stock exchanges. While you benefit from price movements and may receive dividends, XM holds the shares in a nominee account, so direct voting rights are not included. This account is ideal for investors seeking exposure to individual stocks while trading on XM's powerful platforms. Both of these accounts include key features such as negative balance protection, the ability to hedge positions, and the option to open an Islamic account for traders who require swap-free trading. Additionally, XM provides a standard account that balances spreads and trading costs, making it a good fit for beginners and intermediate traders. For those who wish to practice without financial risk, the broker offers a demo account that lets traders practice and test strategies in a risk-free environment using virtual funds. It's ideal for beginners learning the markets or experienced traders exploring new strategies. The demo account works on MetaTrader 4 and 5, available on desktop, web, and mobile, and allows the customization of account types, base currencies, leverage, and virtual balance. Traders can open multiple demo accounts and enjoy a 90-day period that extends with each login, providing ample time to gain experience before moving to live trading. Creating an account with XM is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Get Started button. Next, submit your information and create your account. After you have created your account, depending on the type you have chosen, you will be redirected to their web trader if you are opening a demo account. However, if you are opening a live account, you will need to submit your account application and verify your credentials before opening a live account. In our case, we are opening a demo account with XM using their web trader. And as easy as that, we're in. This is XM's web trader. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse through all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. And on the right side of the trading chart, a nice and simple buy and sell order window. Within their web trader interface, you can also view copy trading, trading tools, educational resources, contact customer support, and much more. If you are new to trading and are new to any of XM's available platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content over on their educational panel to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker offers a wide range of secure and convenient payment options for both deposits and withdrawals. Clients can fund their accounts using methods such as credit and debit cards, bank wire transfers, e-wallets, and local payment solutions, depending on their region. The minimum deposit requirement is just $5, making it accessible to traders at all levels. XM is known for its instant withdrawals, ensuring that clients can access their funds securely and promptly 24/7 with no fees. However, it's important to note that XM reserves the right to impose deposit and withdrawal limits or fees at any time, particularly in cases of suspected fraud or abuse. Additionally, clients may be required to submit documentation to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations before processing withdrawals. Overall, XM strives to provide a seamless and secure financial transaction experience for its clients. The broker offers a comprehensive hub designed to support traders at every stage of their trading journey. Their webinars, which are available in 23 languages and conducted by over 70 expert instructors, cover a wide range of topics and are accessible 7 days a week. For those who prefer self-paced learning, the broker provides a variety of tutorials, articles, and videos that delve into trading strategies, market analysis, and platform usage. XM's live education sessions offer real-time insights and interactive learning experiences. All resources are designed to help you build confidence and competence in your trading endeavors. The broker also provides traders with comprehensive market insights through its research portal, featuring daily updates from the market intelligence team. These updates include in-depth technical and fundamental analysis, as well as sentiment reports to assist traders in making informed decisions. The portal also offers access to Trading Central, a premium tool that delivers AI-powered analytics, expert commentary, and real-time market sentiment indicators. This combination of resources ensures that traders have access to timely and relevant information to navigate the financial markets effectively. Over the years of operation, XM has garnered over 60 global awards, underscoring its commitment to excellence in the trading industry. Some of their most recent awards include the Best Trading Conditions in Africa, the Best CFD Education and Community, Best Trading Execution, Best Customer Service, Best User Experience in Trading, and many, many other awards, highlighting the broker's dedication to providing top-tier services to traders worldwide. These awards reflect XM's ongoing commitment to transparency, reliability, and quality service. For traders, it's not just about recognition, it's about knowing that the broker you choose has been tested and acknowledged on a global scale. With a strong track record of excellence, XM continues to set high standards in the trading industry. Overall, XM has established itself as a leading global broker by prioritizing trader satisfaction, regulatory compliance, and innovative trading solutions. With over 15 million clients across more than 190 countries, XM offers access to over 1,400 financial instruments, all available through the versatile MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. Safety is paramount at XM, which is why the broker is licensed by top-tier regulators such as the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. This regulatory oversight ensures that traders' funds are protected and that XM adheres to strict financial standards. Their commitment to excellence is further demonstrated by its impressive array of awards, including the Best Trading Execution and Best Customer Service. These accolades reflect the broker's dedication to providing superior trading conditions and exceptional client support. For those looking to start trading, XM offers a range of account types with low minimum deposits, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. The availability of demo accounts allows new traders to practice and build confidence before engaging in live trading. XM combines a robust regulatory framework, award-winning services, and a user-friendly trading environment, making it a compelling choice for traders worldwide. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your trading experience, XM provides the tools and support to help you succeed in your trading journey. And that is our overview of XM. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.